Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. We're back on the GTO again, and you guys got to see in the last video there, we're working on the driver's side trunk panel there, and we connected the wheel tubs to the back of the car. It's looking really nice. I'm really excited about it. I've been getting a lot of help and a lot of pointers from Uncle Blaine there. You guys seen a lot of links to him for his page, KCD and the KCD Movement. But we're really rocking and rolling on this thing. This week, what you guys are going to see, we're going to be working on the passenger side. We've got to duplicate what we've done on the driver's side and get it on the passenger side. And I'm really excited about that. I'm hoping everything's going to turn out pretty nice. And also, I'm waiting on some packages to come in. I hope I get to show you guys some parts I got ordered from Ames. They sent me a lot of parts, and I'm hoping they'll be here. And I'm hoping I can get those bad boys on there for you. But enough of this talking. Let's get after it. Well guys, it's 5:30 in the morning. We've been working on it all night. Jesse, we've been working late, ain't we, brother?
That's right, my man.
We managed to pull every tool out that we got to do this sheet metal with, but we're getting it. It's looking pretty good. Got that side, and we got that side in. And they're almost completely mounted in. They just got them a few Zeus fasteners in, and it's looking pretty good. I'll take you in under the underside here and let you look at it, but it's looking pretty cool. Check out our tunnel there. It's looking pretty cool. Looking pretty neat. I'm really happy with it. It's turned out pretty nice, and we've been after it. Hope everybody's having a great weekend.
Alright guys, we just got a shipment of parts in. Pretty excited about it. We'll unbox this for you. It's from Ames Performance. We got a bunch of stuff, just a bunch of 28 parts to go on it to finish out the rear area of the car there. And let's dig into it and see what we got. Oh yeah. If you guys got Pontiac, I highly suggest these guys. They got a lot of cool stuff. Just Ames Performance. They got a website, and they also got some really cool catalogs. I'm kind of old school. I really like a good catalog, and normally they send one, so let's see if there's one in here. Oh yeah, looks like it's in a good catalog. Let's see here. Ooh. Looks like there's I got some chrome pieces and some gaskets for my taillights there. And I had all my bezels and my taillight inserts and stuff, but I didn't have the trim, and I didn't have the gaskets that went around it. And luckily those guys had all that stuff, so they hooked me up. And I'll show you this stuff real quick. There's what the gaskets look like. There's the trim pieces. Just go around the taillights there. We got both sides, of course. Left and right. And then I also got the, I had to get another Pontiac emblem that goes back there on the tail panel. And I'm excited about putting that bad boy in there. So it finally says Pontiac on the back. Oh yeah. And they always have a really cool cowl. Bam. Right there. Hope you guys can see it. But the cowl always got colored stuff in there so you can actually see what you're ordering and stuff. And they got really good parts for these cars. Really good parts. And I also got some stuff for my headlights. Actually hooked me up there. See here, and this is probably the grill molding. It's a piece of chrome that goes around the grills. And get that. And I still had my original, the car actually had the GTO grills in it, but one of the molding pieces was broke. Yeah, right there. So there's the molding right there. Goes around the grill. Excited about getting that in. And hopefully on the next video, I'll have all these parts on there and you can see all of them, both the grill and the all the rear stuff. Oh, put that inside. And this should be, yeah, tail lamp lenses. Pretty excited about seeing these here. Been waiting on these for a long time. Oh yeah, these things are nice. Oh yeah, very nice. Bam. Check that out. Bam. Yes. We got some Pontiac parts today. There's the other one right there. So now we got both left hand side and right hand side. Pretty excited about getting these on there. Yeah, I believe that's about it. So that's about it for this package right here. Pretty excited about getting this stuff on there. I thought I'd show you guys what this stuff looks like when it comes in. But I highly suggest Ames Performance there if you guys are needing some Pontiac parts. They got really good quality and really nice stuff there, and I like it a lot. Let's get this stuff on the car. Check this out, guys. We are rocking and rolling, man. We got the taillights sitting in there. We got our chrome pieces put here on the side here. Had to replace those. The pegs that was sticking out on the inside so you can screw the nuts up on them. The old ones was all broke off, and it was just way cheaper to just buy new ones and trying to fix them. Ames, man, these things are nice. And look at the finish on that. Nice. But Ames pulled through, sent some really nice stuff. We got our new Pontiac emblem on there, looking really nice and clean. Take the key out there for you. Bam, check it out, man. Pontiac. I'm liking it. Everything's looking pretty wicked. We've got our inside panels pretty much wrapped up. We're getting really close on those and been able to move to the next step. But this week we just had to pretty much get the other side evened up with that side. So we're looking really good. I wanted to point something out that I've done on the inside. I thought it turned out pretty nice. But that edge right there
just folded over really nice, and I'm really liking that a lot. You can see down here on the bottom side of it, just kind of how I tried to make that smooth right there. Just bam, nice and clean looking. But we are rolling right along. I want to thank everyone for sharing the videos. Man, every time you guys share everything, man, that helps my channel out a bunch. So definitely keep sharing the videos. Please comment below, tell me what you guys think of the footage so far, and if there's anything different you think we should be doing, and keep us rocking and rolling here. Every weekend we're going to hit it harder, and I don't know how much later I can stay up working on it. We made it to 5:30, and that wrapped it up for me. But definitely, guys, be sure to hit that like button, keep it sharing, keep it rocking with us, and till next time, you guys have a good one.